My name is Angelica Diaz Naranjo, and I am the Supervisor of Child Welfare and Attendance with the ABC Unified School District. This past week, we completed another Active Shooter Preparedness Workshop for district and school leaders at one of our middle schools. These workshops are intended to align with our district's integrated, multi-tiered systems of support to improve school safety by preparing staff for an active shooter scenario. These workshops will continue at various school sites throughout the school year. We hope to never have to use these skills. However, preparedness is a key component of school safety at ABC.
Open up, police department. Doors opening, police, doors opening. Let us see your hands. Hands up, hands up. Police, inside. Let us see your hands. Police department, doors opening. Let us see your hands. Keep your hands up where we can see them. Please, hands up, step out. Step out with your hands up, all the way up. Go to the door. Hands up, hands up.